Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm doing some Christmas baking, if you were unsure. First I'm gonna get my hair out of the way. So I'm starting this pretty early in the morning because this particular dish has to chill because it is Jello. I will have every recipe that I'm doing today. We're doing 3 in total. Link down below. I'm starting out with a 3-layer Christmas jelly. This is from Taste of Home. And it's gonna be delicious. I don't actually know, I haven't made any of these yet. Okay, so for starters, I am opening up a can of crushed pineapple. I'm just gonna drain it into this guy. Now, I don't have quite enough pineapple juice in here for what I need, so I'm gonna top it up a little bit. Sunripe Slim Tropical Mango Juice because it has a very strong pineapple flavor and the mango will just kind of give it a bit of a kick. So now, got some lime Jello. Get that in here. I've already boiled some water, so I need 1 Uno cup. Because I'm pretty sure we all know how to make Jello, right? Pour that in. Lime Jello smells so potent. Okay, that is dissolved. And now I'm going to put in the juice. Add the crushed pineapple. Mush that all up. Honestly, I am the most excited about Rory trying Jello for the first time. This is gonna be so fun. And I've got my dish, and then we're gonna pour it in here. That is both delicious and unappetizing looking at the same time. And then I'm gonna get this setting, which is why I'm starting this so freaking early. So the next recipe we're going to do is a lime chiffon square, which I'm very excited about because I love anything with tiny marshmallows shoved in it. Why are you so sad, Winston? This is from Rock Recipes. Again, link down below. So we're going to start with the crust, graham crackers. Oh no. Those 4 tablespoons of sugar. And then the melted butter. I'm not even gonna rinse this out. I don't really care if there's bits of crumbs in there. It is just some extra delicious is what it is. 2 bags of Jello. Packs of Jello. One. See, they're gonna be really good or really disgusting. Dissolve, dissolve. Now we need to add the condensed milk. And also the lime juice. Whipping cream. Fold in the marshmallows and the cream and then get it in the pans in the fridge to set. So now we are returning to our Jello thing. I'm gonna make some clear gelatin, so I have a bit of water in here according to this package's instructions, and then I'm gonna pour this over the water. Don't burn myself, don't burn myself, don't burn myself. I've got my bowl of softened cream cheese here, in here, the boiling hot gelatin, the milk, okay, break this out again. This on top of here. Oh, that needs a spatula. So lastly, we're going to be making Hershey's Kiss sprinkle cookies. I don't have actual Hershey's Kisses, like not the chocolate sized ones, but I do have the mini Kisses chocolate chips. So they're a little bigger than regular chocolate chips, but a little smaller than the actual Hershey's Kisses. So this recipe is from whatmegansmaking.com. I don't know how good this will be. I'm not a big fan of like chocolate dough cookies, but I don't have to eat them. There's a ton of lime shit setting in the fridge right now. I've already preheated the oven and lined my baking sheet with parchment paper. Now, whisk together the flour, cocoa. I am using Hershey's cocoa for this, keeping with the theme. And then the salt. Oh yeah. Dog, 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 dog. Now, I've already softened my butter and I've got my sugar in here. Now I'm gonna cream this together. And then we add egg yolk, vanilla, and milk until combined. Dog, dog. Almost ready to make these pretty, honey. And then get them in the oven. Brrr. Okay, like this doesn't look right. That is not thick enough. I can't roll that into balls. I'm following the recipe. Me too. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do little blobbies. So these go in the oven for about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna have to, I probably won't do it on camera, but then I will smush the chocolates into the cookies. I was totally right. These did not stay in balls. They don't look bad. These are done. I did put these on here. Whoa, oops. I gotta let them cool, like fully cool. Okay, this is the last thing. Okay, so this one's a little different in that I have to actually let it cool for 10 minutes before putting it over top of the current gelatin because it will melt it, I presume. I'm kind of personalizing this one. So the recipe in this calls for strawberry jello and cranberry sauce, which I found to be horrendously unappealing. I'm using some cherry jello, whatever, and I'm gonna be using maraschino cherries. It's not gonna have a whole can of cranberry sauce in it. It's gonna be horribly sweet and hopefully incredibly delicious. Put in the cherries with just a little bit of cherry juice. Just a tiny bit. Let it cool for a couple minutes. Okay, I don't know, that still feels pretty hot to me. Don't think we have much of a choice here. Slowly try pouring this. Don't wreck it. Uh-oh. Spread out those cherries a little bit. That looks like it's wrecking. Okay, I guess I'll just put this in the fridge as quickly as possible. My stove's still gross, sorry. I got myself a cookie. I'm not gonna be trying these on camera because it's almost dinner time. But I do want to cut out some little pieces here just to see how they turned out. Oof, that lost the bottom. But look at that healthy little slice. And then we've got this guy. Look at those layers. I mean, I know it looked like it screwed up because it did lift a bit. But I don't know. Seems alright to me. Again, I'm just gonna do a teensy weensy little corner here. Come on, come on, come on. Look at that. It's so pretty. I'm so proud of that. Oh my god. So that's it. That's all. That's everything. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already and you feel inclined to do so. And we will see you tomorrow for more Vlogmas.